In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download eBay transaction reports to CSV Excel. To get started, sign in to your eBay account and look at the top navigation area. From there, click on Sell. This will take you into the Seller section where you can access the tools related to orders, payments, and reporting. If you sell regularly, this area is where you'll manage most of your business activity on eBay. Once you're in the Seller dashboard, move your cursor over Payments. You don't need to click right away if the menu appears on hover. Just pause there for a moment so the available options become visible. This section is important because transaction reports are usually grouped under payment-related activity rather than listings or orders. When the menu opens, click on Reports. This will bring you to the reporting page where eBay provides downloadable data that you can review outside the platform. Reports are especially useful if you want to analyze sales performance, reconcile payouts, keep records for accounting, or open the data in Excel for sorting and filtering. On the Reports page, the next thing you'll do is select the time period. Choose the date range that matches the transactions you want to export. For example, you might want the current month, the previous month, or a custom range depending on what you need for bookkeeping or reporting. Taking a moment to confirm the correct time period here can save you from downloading the wrong file and having to repeat the process. After that, select Compared to. This setting helps define how the report is framed on the page before you download it. Depending on the options available, you may be comparing the selected period with another time frame. Make sure the selection matches the view you want, especially if you're using the report for trend analysis or performance review. Next, click on Download CSV. This tells eBay to export the report in CSV format, which is a widely compatible file type that opens easily in Excel and other spreadsheet tools. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you'll remember so you can find it quickly afterward. Finally, click on All. This ensures you're downloading the full set of available data rather than a limited view or partial category. Once that's done, the file should begin downloading, and you'll be ready to open it in Excel and work with your transaction data. That's it. You've successfully downloaded your eBay transaction report to a CSV file for use in Excel.